Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. From previous two videos, we are discussing pulley problems. To watch those videos, click on the I button. In this video, we will discuss another condition of pulley system and solve it within seconds by the help of short trick. And then I will explain the whole process to know that how much this trick is helpful. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the condition is there is a pulley mass m1 m2 acceleration downward. So for this we find the acceleration by the short trick and then I'll explain it by the procedure. Okay, this is theta. A is equal to all the mass moving downward means m2, then all the mass moving upward. There is no mass moving directly upward but in the inclined plane, so minus m1 and this is theta, their cos theta and their sin theta, so m1 sin theta upon total mass m1 plus m2 into g. This is from short trick and now I'll explain the whole procedure. Okay, this is the system m1g. For this, first we draw the FBD for m1 block. This is m1g, m1g cos theta, m1g sin theta, because acceleration is downward and here in this, so m1a is also there. This is the t. For this t is equal to m1g sin theta, because both are in same side, so plus m1a. This is the first condition. Now we will draw the FBD of m2. This is m2, m2g, acceleration is downward, so m2a is upward and t is also upward, so t plus m2a is equal to m2g. Putting the value of t here, so the value of t is m1g sin theta plus m1a plus m2a is equal to m2g. So we put the acceleration in one side and gravitational force in another side. m1a plus m2a is equal to m2g minus m1g sin theta. Taking the acceleration common, m1 plus m2, here g is common, m2 minus m1 sin theta, a is equal to m2 minus m1 sin theta upon m1 plus m2 into g. This is from there. A is equal to m2 minus m1 sin theta, and this m1 plus m2 is going there, m1 plus m2, and this g is here. Okay, so by this we'll prove it. This is proved. We'll find by the short trick is this, and by the whole procedure we find this. Both are same. So if we apply the short trick, we save our a lot of time. And hope you understand the whole process, and you can solve the pulley problems within seconds with the help of these short tricks. So I'll meet you with another video in next with the next topic. Till then, bye. Thank you.